Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the app setting. Click on this app setting, and here we're going to select application we would like to move to our SD card. And just for your information guys, that not all the application can be moved to SD card, so you have to check it first before you move it. You can check it whether the application can be moved or not. And as far as I know, the application which can be moved to SD card is applications such as Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, and CapCut or InShot. So here I'm just going to select my Instagram application because I know that Instagram can be moved to SD card. This is my Instagram application. We can click on it. Then we can select storage. Okay, and if we want to move our application to SD card, we can change the storage location. Just click on this change option, then we can select SD card since we want to move our application to SD card. And after that, our application will be automatically moved from internal storage to our SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.